Ahanbada Maruiba Pau. Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na houdokkhre. Masak khangdaba khulai paiba singna phakhiba meeoi mari thadorakkhre. Amadi BJP leingakna mizo bu Bharat Sangbidhan ki nipan suba schedule da chalhangani haina washakkhrey. Kurumzari Times of Manipur News miyeng tabiri bapunamakpu Arunbala na taramnok cheri pau sandok na pizari. Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 ngasi Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na houdokkhre mapung waiba thauram hapta kangjibung da laiba Baigasandra Open Air Theatre da pangthokhi. Manipur Sarkar gi Tourism Department na sinduna pangthokhiba thauram aduda Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Manipur gi Governor Nazma Haptullah, Chief Minister N. Birel, Council of Ministers Singh, MLA Singh, Chief Secretary, DGP, Amadi Sarkar gi Makok Thongba Official Kayasu Saruk Yakhi. Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na Festival adu houdokpagi ribbon kakhi, hafta kangjibungda hangba, tongan ba stall sing, Amadi Culture and Heritage Park yauna mafam kayada Minister na koina satuna yengki. Festival adu houdokpagi thauramda Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na haikibada Manipur se mahausagi phajabana marang kaina laiba lamdam amani jagoi isai sana khotnabada mangjin thaba state amani mahausagi phajaba kaya laiba lamdam asibu masak takleba festival amani Manipur gi nupi singi thauna hotnabakan ba kaya asi tamjaningai ni pangthokliba festival asina state asigi ningthiraba masakpu malemda masak takpani haiki.
In Manipur, the Sangai Festival, and I'm indeed grateful for the Chief Minister to have invited me, and I do recognize the importance of this festival with the fact that last year it was the Rashtrapati himself who had come to inaugurate it, and therefore starting with the Honorable Chief Minister on the dais, the Honorable Governor, who, as was rightly pointed out, has put her heart and soul together to be a part of this beautiful state, and she's almost a Manipuri. I can recognize it myself now. And all the ministers on the dais, the dignitaries, members of Parliament, Chief Secretary, MLAs, and all the representatives in the government, people of Manipur, the media from Manipur, the officials, armed forces, paramilitary, all of whom make a part of this audience today. I'm indeed very, very grateful that I'm here, having been invited by the Chief Minister. If I can be a bit indulgent and seek your indulgence, Manipur is a festival throughout the year. You don't need a festival just to market, you need a festival to showcase, no wonder. And there's no doubt, you need a festival to showcase. But Manipur for me is a gem among states. Manipur, what is not here? What is not here, I repeat. It's such a beautifully endowed state. You have the wonderful Loktak lake, freshwater lake, like nowhere else. You have that beautiful reserve forest on an international border. The border doesn't matter at all. All wildlife keep freely moving around there. Untrampled beauty. It's such a beautiful border.
Manipur ki Governor Nazma Haptullah na haikibada Sangai Festival asina lamdam sigi phajaba amadi haisingba kaya miyamda uhanba ngamle mapalgi meeoi kaya su laknabagi masak ama ohele masina tourism sector sakot hanbada chauna mateng oiragani haiki.
The Chief Minister, members of the Legislative Assembly, member of the Rajya Sabha, you are welcome. All the officers, members of the media, distinguished invitees, Without you, this function is nothing. Ladies and gentlemen, again, Pung Namakku Kurungjari. It's a matter of great pleasure to be attending the second time this festival, Sangai Festival. I was listening with great attention the speech of our today's chief guest, Nirmala ji. And I was telling the Chief Minister, she spoke from her heart. She spoke about Manipur. Thank you very much. Kurum Jari to you too. And Thadachari to you too. For having such beautiful thoughts about Manipur. Last year, the Honorable President said Manipur is the capital of art and sports, culture and sports. Today, you made us the money of among the cities. Thank you very much. Today, the inaugural function will be opening a chain of events celebrating the rich culture and traditional assets of Manipur during the festival spread over 10 days till the 30th November. The Sangai Festival is now recognized as a national event which has brought cultural flavor of Manipur to center stage. And I must congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister and his colleagues and the entire team which has taken this trouble and effort, and the tourism department directly under the Honorable Chief Minister has arranged this.
Si Minister N. Birena haikibada chahi khudingi oina pangthokpa festival asi tongan tongan mafamda pangthoktuna lakli masina mafamdugi phajaba kaya miyamda uhanba ngamle lamdam asibu tourist destination ama oina ba hotnabani mapa laibak kaya gi dagi mioi kaya su saruk yagani masina state asigi economy phagat hanbada achobo mateng oiragani haiki.
On this auspicious day of the anniversary of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2019. At our seat, I welcome Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, Honorable Minister of Defense, for sparing time for a busy schedule and addressing this occasion as a chief guest. I thank her for accepting our invitation. This affirms her affection toward the state. From the very beginning, she was with us and she will remain with us. It is indeed a privilege for me to be here in the presence of our distinguished guests. Honorable Madam Governor, the President of today's inaugural function, she is now has become a Manipuri lady, and I really extend my warm welcome and thanks to you, Madam, and my colleagues, Honorable Ministers, Deputy Chief Ministers, Rajya Sabha MP, President Manipur DGP, Chief Secretary DGP, Honorable Chairmen, Honorable MLAs, Principal Secretaries, Security personnel from both from Army, Paramilitary and State Police, invitees, and my dear friends. I am very happy to welcome our guests from foreign countries and other states of the country. I sincerely hope you will have a comfortable stay here in Manipur. Yesterday, 60 teams, along with the cultural teams and the media teams from Myanmar, has already arrived in Imphal and they are staying. I also hope that you will find time to visit our beautiful place of interest spread across the state. Our district, Vishnupur, with multiple tourist attractions, much as the houdokkhre, Kaibul Lamjao, and the haina memorial at Moira. India is memorial at Red Hill, Laukoi Park, and the nearby tourist spot as the Sadhu Shiru waterfall are must-see places. We will try our best to make your stay here a memorable experience.
Tungda tongan ba cultural item kaya amasu utki. Sangai Festival ga mari leinana lakpa Thailand gi princess ka Manipur gi ningthau leistemba sana jawbaga unahanaba hotnari haina Manipur gi Chief Minister N Birena Kangla da paikhatliba sangwa sagatpagi thabak sing yengsinaba lakpada paumi singda phongdokkhre.
Ngasi dagi haugadaba Manipur Sangai Festival ga mari leinana mapal dagi lakpa delegate singi miyengpham oigadaba Kangla gi hausit sangwa sagaliba mafam sing ngasi Chief Minister N Birena hakthing nana yengsinkre. Yengsin khongsat aduda Deputy Speaker K Robindro MLA sing amadi sarkar gi makok thongba official kayasu saruk yaki. Kangla manung da nauna hangba Information Center and Gift Shop amasu Chief Minister na hangdoki. Chief Minister N Birena haikivada Sangai Festival ga mari leinana mapandagi lakpa delegate sing asina Kangla yengba lakpada hena masak thoknanaba honabani. Thailand gi princess lakpada Kangla asi yengingbagi apamba phongdorokpa lei. Mahana yengba lakpada Manipur su ningthau panba leibak ama oirambana Manipur gi iningthau Maharaj ka unanaba thorang tauri. Princess amadi iningthau ga punna Kangla asi yengananaba honari haiki.
Moisu ningthau palaga lakpani da. Ada koisu Southeast Asia da koisu ningthau palaga lakpani na adugi naknaba mari mana su khangdaba adugi khara leiba. Ana koinu su madugi ni kanna khanari. Numitu da koisu khanari koi protocol adu ada tawdabida ining thausi koisu ama leiridana ining thau ma si kramai tawga karamba forum da unahanji ke haidaba adu maso koi kanna khanari Kangla manung da oina tawsira sama su genge haibani na ining thau ma ga samina halaga dum yengan masi aidana ko adu me pora ma koi kanna Khanari adu gisum inspection gi lakpani.
Kangla gi sengkot sagliba asi gi matangda makata na hai Kangla gi sengkot sagliba asi ubada yamna nungai. Housing maki oinadi mapung phaba amadi oidri sengkot ningba kayasu leiri haiki.
Matam khredi changhini nauna semakpa loishandaba kharasu dum yauri aduga sengkot ningba area su dum khri yauri aduna matam khredi changhani pura fully 100% mak loiraga satisfaction makti natri adubodum sanaba yanaba haidar inako.
Light and sound gi matangda light and sound asi yadaba nate sizinaba yari numidang gi matamda tawgadaba oibana sangthok sangsin gi matangda kupna khanari haiki.
Ai yadaba nate yai adaida aikhoi Kangla football na mong masigi si karigumba situation amda review tawsiraina ba kenong ka khanari yadaba nate yai function tawbu yai adu nungdangda Kangla nai sosi bujiki lightning sound si nungdang na yam tawgadamina madugi nungdang sidaida kamai tawsige haibagi sangthok sangkin kamai tawsige na adu kaki khanabani.
Thailand gi princess amasung Manipur gi iningthau yauna khoi gi Kangla gi fajaba mafam sing lining laison ga mari leina mafam sing yengangadaba asida hena fajana hena karamba sarok sing yengangadage haibadu Chief Minister na mari leina ba khoi gi official singa tanaki. Cameraman Sarat Sandagaloina Paudam Zariba Nabukumar Khawpam Times of Manipur Kangla.
Manipur Sangai Festival ga mari leinana ngasi ayuk mafam ahumdagi sangairan lamthakre Chief Minister N Birena Imphal gi Khumal Lampak Sports Complex tagi sangai gi paujel puba sangairan adu lamthaki Sangai Festival gi venue ama oiriba maudusu festival asiga mari leinana Education Minister T.S. Radheshyamna sangairan lamthaki amadi Kebul Lamjau dagisu Public Works Minister T.S. Bishojitna lamthaki ngasi maudagi tadubi fawda kanglup ani thokna chenkiba sangairan half marathon aduda makong mathang takrabasingda Minister Radheshyamna achamba manapiduna lamjeloi singbu pungning thogatki thaurom aduda wa ngangladuna Minister Radheshyamna ngasi pangthokkiba sangai half marathon asina lamdam asida nungsi sanaba purakpada mateng oiragani thajai aikhoi amatta oina punsinduna malemgi amatta ngairaba sangai gi kananaba honaminasi haina haiki.
Today, from 3 locations, we are starting this, organizing this Sangai run. You know, Sangai is the only species available in Manipur, found in Manipur. Sangai जो है खाली मणिपुर में ही पाता है और कई जगह में नहीं है. तो Sangai festival in the name of Sangai. Sangai is one endangered species. खत्म होने जा रहा है. इसको कैसा बचाना है इसका नाम पे रखा हुआ है. And Sangai keeps running, you know. एक तो उसको हम लोग पकड़ने के लिए Sangai फान अभिधमता we try to kill Sangai. So Sangai keeps running all the time. And if you keep running, you are fit. Now likewise, now people of Manipur, we should keep running. We must keep our ourselves fit. हम Sangai जैसा भागते रहता है अपने आप को बचाने के लिए और फिट रहने के लिए वैसा हम भी अपने आप को बचाने के लिए अपना भागना है और फिट भी रखना है. दो मकसद है इसका. There are 2 purposes. And now we'll start. Honorable Minister is here. We all are here. We'd love to join you also as far as possible. How much our stamina allows us to join you up to that level, up to that extent, we will join you. There are 2 groups. I was told that young boys and energetic boys and young girls, they will be running in 2 groups. We'll join, and we wish from our team, from my side, we wish a great festival and also the young people here to have a bright future with this grand festival.
Malemgi amatangairaba sangai gi leifam oiriba Kebul Lamjau National Park ki akoibada lairiba miyamgi matengna sangai kanba ngamlibani haina Forest and Environment Minister T.S. Samkumarna phongdokhre ngasi sangai festival gi venue ama oiriba Kebul Lamjau gi YIC ground da festival asi hodokladuna minister na makhata na hai sarkar khaktagi honabana sangai kanba ngamloi sangai kanana ba honabada aikhoi khudingmakna thodang lowinasi lamlaki sa usek amadi akoibagi phibam yaudana mioi ba khunaina hingba ngamloi haiki
malemda akoi sakthokse karigi dama sangai gi dama sangai si pithribi athe phomda phangdaba manipur da phangba adu hari mafam asida kak phangba adu so ataw ba phumda protein phumda taw phangba adu makhalamani yamna riyar oiba am tangba sum makhala sina ngasi koi manipuri singna balem gi lepa kya na pithribi gi tati kya na koi bo adu gi mati koi kai kunabi ba namna masigi khwaidagi hena nungai jabadi lamna masigi praja mayamna amadi akoiba segi lairiba thanga kendra kumbi kendra moirang kendra amadi oinam kendra bishnupur kendra amadi mayang pan kendra asolom da hianglom kendra akoi bagi mayam asina ngasi di wakal chak manana ngasi di koi loktak pata amade Kebul Lamjau National Park ta mayam chak manaduna ngasi sangai bu kanna ba chau thongthang molorokpa simbak Manipur sarkar gi praja singda singam ga moroi da ba amadi lamalama tonsil le haiduna ai mayam da appeal tawjari
Thauram aduda MLA T Rubindro P Sarachandra A Radhakishore S Bira Govindas Konthaujam amadi N Loke na athoiba mithunglen oina saruk yakhi Ngasidagi haukiba Sangai Festival gi mangoinana festival manungda lambigi khudong thiba thodok kayadagi ngakthoknana ba ngasi ayuk Chief Minister N Birena kanglagi nongsup thangba gate ki traffic light system recommission tauki hiram masigi matangda Chief Minister na paumi singda phongdokhibada miyamna traffic ki chatna kanglon ngakna chatabana achouba maram oidona lambigi khudong thiba thodok kaya thokli maram aduna miyamna gari thoba matamda traffic ki chatna kanglon singak na chapiu haina appeal tauki Manipur Sangai Festival Sarugyana Nabagidamag Yumthang Nariba Myanmar dagi delegate Tim Lak Paleptri Nupa Tarugyauna Mioi Kun Ngasi Ayuk More da Thunglakhre Myanmar gi ani suba delegate Tim Adu Indo Myanmar Association na Harau Tayamna Oklaba Matung Imphal gi damak More gi additional SP KS Robinson na lamthara khabra matung Imphal Thunglakhre Ngasidagi hauduna numit tarani chupna chathagadawriba Manipur Sangai Festival da sarugyaba lakliba foreign delegates singna sangai yengba phanghanabagi sangai gi amata ngairaba laifam oiriba kaibul lamjau chananaba thaurang tawba honakhre
Sangai Festival yengnabagi Imphal da thunglaraba foreign delegates singna Imphal gi Classic Hotel Classic Grand Amadi Hotel Imphal da book to Kibagaloina Hotel Authority da Kaibulam Jauchat Navigi Garina Chingba book to Bahona Hairi. Amaromda Manipur Sarkargi Forest Department Sahi Asigioina Kaibulam Jau da Sathakiba Sangai Masing Tibagi Census Reporter Hozik Kaibulam Jau National Park da Sangai Puna Chanigi Yankai Matoi Lady. Madugi Manungda Sangai Amomna Chamaga Kuntra Marini Labana Humpu Humdoini Aduga Sangai Machana Yankai Marini. Park Asimaktada Kharsa Sahum Lamok Chanirom Lady Haina Supali. Tourism Department of Fongba Kaibulam Jaugi booklet the Fongdokhiba Aduna Maram Oiduna Tourist Kiana Kaibulam Jauda Ahenba Midyang Tamna Kivani. Sathariba Festival Asigi Saruk Ama Oina Kaibulam Jauda Su Tourism Department Amasung Blue Wing Anina Sinduna Sangai Festival Gi venue Oiribani.
Sangai Festival ga mari leinana Imphal West District Police na laukhatpa section thawrangi saruk ama oina ngasi Imphal West ki mafam kayada paksana thiba humbagi thabak sathakre
ngasi dagi hauduna numit tarani supna sathagadaba Sangai Festival ga mari leinana Imphal West District Police ngasi ayuk pung taruk adwai dagi tara adwai fawba district asigi tongan ba mafam marida paksana thi humbagi thabak sathakre District asigi additional SP Ops Krishna Tombi amadi Deputy SP CDO Rojit Iromna lusingba commando team Nipana Lamfel Police Station gi manung sanba Iroi Semba Takel Khongba Lambi amadi Iroi Semba Amukhong Leikaida Pak Sanna thi humbagi thabak sathaki Yum sangduna lairamba mioi sing amamamta oina verification tauki adumakpu thoidokpa mifami pundi yaukhide Makha tarakpada team asimakna mitai langol punsilok khulgi singmaidasu yum marfu rom koisinduna thamlaga yum sangduna lairamba mioi sing verify tauki masagi saktakche yaudaba singnaba mioi ahum makhatana verification taunabagidamak lamfel police ki team da sinakhi Operation asi hek loibaga team asimakna Imphal West District ki Sangai Thel da leiba Sangai Thel Park ki awang amadi mamang thangba umang amadi singmaida paksan na question duna thi humbagi tabaksu sathaki mafam asigi akoibada leiba khul singdasu commando gi mobile team sing thadokduna singnaba mioi sing verification tauki
Aku ini juga lagi informasi masih Sangai Telgi Park ki mamang thangba umang mapa sini hujur Sangai Festival ngasi haugadar Sangai Festival sigan mari lena Imphal West District ki police na local protection tharangi saruk omoina ngasi ayuk mafam kaya da park sana thi humbagi thabak chathakre cameraman sana gloina na paudamjir ba Sarat Sharma Tom News Imphal
Masak khangdaba khutlai paiba singna Sandel district ki manung sanba lamkang khunaugi village sip yauna mioi mari phakhiba adu ngasi athengbada thadorakkhre maram taktana mioi mari faduna pukhiba adu gi mayokta ngasi ayukta gi hauna lamkang khunaugi miyamna Imphal more lambi paringi bongyang gi lambi thingbagi khongjang sangsinki khongjang aduna maram oiduna Imphal dagi more sangkhiba gari sing palenda panduna laikhi BJP leingakna mizo lonbu Bharat ki Sangbidhan ki nipan suba schedule da chalhangani haina washakkhrey. BJP ki National General Secretary Ram Madhavna Rajya asigi party headquarter Atal Bhavan da vision document ama su release tauki. Maduda mahakna engineering college ahum, medical college ani amadi nursing tampham institute ahum saragani haibagi thajabasu piki. Ram Madhavna Karigumba BJP na awang nongpok Raja Singda party asina sakti pairabadi mioi lising tara chahi khudingi thabak pigani haiki amasung party asina Aizol City chahi ahungi manungda traffic jam laitaba mafam ama ohengani hainasu pankhi hairi. NCUI Women Cooperative Education Project Imphal West na Sinduna Numitare ni supna Thadorakkhre Skill Development Program on Fruit Preservation Training ngasi loisinkhre. National Cooperative Union of India New Delhi gi mityeng makhada imoinu self help group wangkhai ningthem pukhiga khusamnaraga wangkhai ningthem pukri mapal makha laikai gi pangthokpa training loisinbagi thoram aduda ward number 20 gi councillor Lokrakpam Tombi Devi NCUI Project Coordination Committee ki Chairperson Zina Posangbam NCUI Women's Cooperative Education Project Imphal West ki Project Officer B Jaisri Ward Member A Bobby Devina Thoromapu oina saruk yakhi. Chairperson Zina Posangbam na haikibada nupi singda empower taubi bagi matam oire yumda laina senthok lambi laina naba amadi matam gi oiba haira sing asik Kana balambi amada sijinabana training asi pangthokpani hairi.
Akoi nupi singsi akoi empower to si haina hek mem punamagna dumak hai adubu empower to matamda akoi se akoi keina tawraga empower to gadabanu haibasi dikana na shukhana de empowerment se masana kaigumba semit loan si leiraba masada income generate tawraba mi da mentally fit oiba mind fit oiba mi amakakti masana dumak empower tawi aduga phanayam na thona phaba nupi oragasu mahaki income leitraba mahaki pesa leijadragati mahase kedongai tasu wakal thokte lausing leite maramaduna mayam ki samas ki marakta nupi nupa thong manana chatnabagi damakta akhoina nupi singsibu ehenba sakti ehenba wakal ehenba lausing gyan taknabai damakta akhoi hotna jaban
Diwali amadi ningol sako baga mari leinana Imphal West Police na phagat kiba lagaw maru set chani gyang khairom ngasi thugaiduna manghankhre GP Women College mamangda lagaw maru sing thugaiduna manghan kiba aduda Imphal West Police ki additional SP LOS Hemanta additional SP Ops DSP Ops yauna makok thongba police officer singsu sarugyaki additional SP LOS Hemanta na haikibada chako bo mamang amadi matungda phagalakpa lagaw marusing ase ngasi miyam mangda thugaiduna manghan bani mamangda su Diwali ga mari leinana phagalakpa marusing miyam mangda manghan khre haiki
2018 gi Diwali ga mari leinana Imphal Police West District ki police na lokat sarakpa koi mamangda su koi ki press media da koi phagkiba punna set 205 madu koi makhata na misuse tawna dabin da koi mamangda su hel hazar su oidaba mawongda koina mai thabda su nuai tabina koina public ki media ki thongda adi public ki meyam mangda koi roller tawga hana ju takhai ni habi gi koina hai gi matungina ngasi khoi gi matam ju phagat ki ba khoi gi lagaw maru sing ji khoi meyam mangda dispose of jabni ana masi sina amu hana khoi masi gi se masin makhak li thokraga masi koina misuse tawtana gi hena maru ina section thorang gi oina meyam mangda koina dispose of jabni
Border Town More the Ladiba Integrated Checkpost ICP gi washroom sing hangoiningai oiba phibam da lady Myanmar ga tainuriba More gi ICP asigi ground floor gi bathroom toilet sing asukimatik amot akaina wai saire hauzik washroom asigi manungda ising amadi toilet paper na singba laitri mapu panda baga chap manari hiram asigi matangda aikhoi gi paumina miyam da khanghan khiba laikhrabasu ngasi phawboda mari leinaba department na miyeng sangbidana lairi Social media da tabada nungaitaba wahiwata sizinaduna India gi Prime Minister Manipur gi Chief Minister amadi BJP bu phong na chai thangba video clipping thagat luba kai samthong moirang ning thau lerek tagi Kesor Chan Wangkhemsa LISKC phare mahak ngarang numidang pung mapalom taba matamda Imphal West District Police ki commando na khongham pata leiba advocate amagi mayumdagi phakhibani mahaki mathakta case ama lokhakkhrey loinana ain gi oiba thabak paikhatkhrey hairi Paugi Maraktana attend the break amatang. ब्रेक की मतुंगदा मयाम मुखहना तराम ऑक्सरी यूनियन एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्ट्री ना पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमिटी दा थागलकपा रिपोर्ट अमगी मतुंग इन्ना डिमोनेटाइजेशन ना मरम ओइदना यामलबा लौमी सिंह इंथम थागी महै मरोंग अमसुंग तिल हिदाक लैबंगमद्रे हाइरी ngarang कांग्रेस की एमपी बेरापा मोलीना लुचिंगबा सेल थुंगी पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमिटी दा मिनिस्ट्रीज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट अमसुंग माइक्रो स्मॉल अमदी मीडियम इंटरप्राइजेस ना हिरम असिगी मतंगदा खंगनख्रे पनबा याबदी लौमी सिंगना इंथम थागी मना मसिंग योनबा अमसुंग कालेन थागी मना मसिंग थाबा मतमदा डिमोनेटाइजेशन लाखी मध्य प्रदेश राजस्थान अमसुंग छत्तीसगढ़ दा लौमी सिंगी अवाबा असि अचौबा वाथोक अमा ओइरिबनी हाइरी इटालियन नेशनलिस्ट अमा ngasi samsabat एयरपोर्ट की कापयारीबा नोंगमै मरुगा कोनना फारब मियोय अदुगी ममिंग निकोल सगर मानो सही हुंड्रा मुक सूरे सगर मानो हैदराबाद तगी दुबई तमना चटकदबनी अदुबु एयरपोर्ट महाकी लगेज स्क्रीनिंग तौबा मतमदा कापयारीबा नोंगमै मरु कुनिथोय अमसुंग कापथोखरबा नोंगमै मरु अहुम यावरमबदगी महाकपु पुलिसना फादुना वहंग पहंगीदमक चथखिबनी हाइरी Citizen Amendment Bill की मायोक्ता North East Student Organization Member Organization सिंगना गुवाहाटी दा खोंजंग संगसिनख्रे ngarang संगसिनखिबा खोंजंग अदुदा All Manipur Student Union MSU All Assam Manipur Student Union All Arunachal Pradesh Student Union Garo Student Union Naga Student Federation Mizo Zirlan Pol amadi Tripura Student Federation की लुचिंगबा अमदी मेंबर सिंगना सरुक याखी खोंजंग अदुदा सरुक याखिबा एमसू की VP लाइस्ट्रम पीटर ना जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमिटी ना पिखल किबा रिपोर्टा सिटीजन अमेंडमेंट बिल असी चना हनबा होनरकपा तारबदी मखल मखा कयागी खोंजंग सिंग नॉर्थ ईस्ट की स्टेट तरेता था सिगी कुंट्रादगी संगसिलगनी हाइकी
component organization de sum khada leba du ngwa component organization nipan asi punduna haibas asigulu bas citizen women bill sa when strongly opposed to ya du yang di have the ministry puli se adu ko si makha chakra koina ko state makhal makha gi state pe de sum khata na igumba sigumba women bill citizen women bill se ka igumba chana la patara ga di na adu rigo ko du adu haibas se opposed to bu ko jom khata sanjala kani asi joint parliamentary committee ni ang si
ngasi nungthil la phongna khiba pause singda kari kari maru eba pawyar ibage habadu mayam punna amtang khangminasi
Kanglaipak ki maira Manipur Sangai Festival Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na houdokkhre Manipur ki fazaba amasung sangai bu pithribi gi miyam na khak mirai roi Nirmala Sitharaman khangdaba khulai paiba singna faziluba mioi manga thadorakpadagi Imphal more lambi thingba gi khongjang handokkhre Chief Minister na traffic signal light mafam ani ngasi dagi hangdokkhre Paujel lamdam sigi miyam yaugdana sangai kanba ngamloi sangai gi damak malemda aikhoina chauthok chai Shyam Kumar kilometer tara sangba sangai ran Chief Minister na lamthakre combined team na ZRA gi kadar amadagi yamlaba khulai fare Kangla Pau ngasi nungkhil sangai festival kendra gi Naksel Mantri Nirmala Sitharaman na houdokhlagani Mizoram da BJP na sarkar pairabadi mizo lol Nepal suba schedule da chalhangani saha Mukhyamantri na traffic light signal system ani hangdokkhre Pandam Defense Minister Sitharaman na Manipur Sangai Festival houdokkhre tongan ba mafam ahumda sangai ran pangthokkhre Kangla da sagat liba memento museum Chief Minister na sangakhre Thailand dagi Maharani ga Manipur gi ningthau laisembaga unahangani Chief Minister Kangla gi Western Gate ta lairiba traffic signal light ngasi dagi amuk mathau tawba hoankhre Silent zone da horn khongliba driver sing wakhan khanthabiu biren
Maru eba pau amukahanna Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na houdokkhre Masak khangdaba khulai paiba singna phakhiba mioi mari thadorakkhre अमदी बीजेपी लेंगाकना मिजो लोनबु भारत संविधान की निपान सुबह शेड्यूल चलहलगनी हाइना washakkhrey ngasi gi wenadi Manipur paung matang asida loijare mi eng tabir ba punamapu Arunbala na amuka hana khurumjari न्यूज़।